Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 18. That Brahman, the light of all lights, is said to be beyond darkness. It is knowledge, the object of knowledge, seated in the hearts of all, to be reached by knowledge.
ज्योतिषाम् अपि तत् ज्योतिः तमसः परम् उच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम्.
Chapter 13, Shloka 18. If there be thus an all-pervading truth ever present in us, and if we cannot perceive or experience the self, it must surely be a principle of darkness. This is not so. Brahman, the illuminator in all, is one consciousness by which everything is known intellectually, realized intuitively, and experienced spiritually. Bathed in light, we can see the objects with our eyes. Similarly, within us, bathed in consciousness, we can see thoughts and emotions. This light of wisdom, by which we become aware of our own mental and intellectual conditions at any given moment, is called the light of the soul or self. By the light of consciousness, every thought is lit in the awareness of our life. Thus, consciousness is called light. It is the subject. It is different from other lights in the realm of the objects outside. The self in each is the light which illumines all other perceptible lights. Even the sun, though it has light of its own, is immaterial to the living beings if the consciousness in them does not illumine it. Therefore, the self is indicated as the subject and experienced as the entire world of objectified light. In the relative world of objects outside, everything is understood as a contrast to its opposite. Light can be understood as opposite of darkness. The absolute nature of the infinite light of the soul is stated to be beyond the concept of darkness. It is absolute light. The consciousness, like in the sun, there is no meaning for the word light, since the sun knows no darkness. The light of awareness is so subtle and absolute that it illumines not only the various sources of light in the world, but also the experience of darkness itself. the consciousness that transcends our experiences and illumines our life is the very goal of spirituality at all times and everywhere. It can be contacted and realized in the heart, the dwelling place of the self. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.